Have you ever wondered, why did God create mosquitoes? A question as old as time itself, yet the answer remains as elusive as the fleeting mosquito. It's a universal curiosity, a divine conundrum that has sparked countless debates and discussions across the globe. From the chilly corners of Siberia to the sun-drenched plains of Africa, every culture, every society, and every individual has pondered this perplexing query. Perhaps it's the mosquito's uncanny knack for appearing at the most inconvenient times that fuels our curiosity. Or maybe it's the sheer perplexity of why an omnipotent creator would design such a seemingly troublesome creature. This curiosity isn't confined to any particular culture or religion. It's a shared human experience. Even within the Islamic community, there are diverse beliefs and perspectives on this topic, each as fascinating as the next. So, why did God create mosquitoes? Are they merely pests? Or do they serve a greater purpose? It's time to take a closer look, to explore the unexplored, to question the unquestioned. Let's dive into the fascinating world of mosquitoes and uncover the reasons for their creation. Contrary to popular belief, mosquitoes aren't just pesky insects. They play a vital role in the ecosystem. Let's delve deeper into this. Mosquitoes, though often despised, are a crucial part of the food chain. They serve as a significant food source for various species like birds, bats, amphibians, and other insects. Without mosquitoes, the survival of these creatures could be at stake, leading to a domino effect of species extinction. Who would have thought that these tiny nuisances could be so crucial to the survival of so many species? In addition, mosquitoes also contribute to pollination. Yes, you heard that correctly. Not just bees and butterflies, but mosquitoes too have a role to play in this process. Certain species of mosquitoes feed on nectar, thereby helping in the transfer of pollen from one flower to another. This pollination plays a vital role in the propagation of various plant species, contributing to the biodiversity of our planet. Lastly, mosquitoes have an indirect role in population control. Their role as vectors for various diseases, though detrimental to human health, contributes to maintaining the balance in human and animal populations. This might seem like a harsh reality, but it's a part of the natural order that has been in place for millions of years. However, it's important to remember that this doesn't justify the suffering caused by mosquito-borne diseases. It's crucial for us to continue our efforts in disease control and prevention, while also understanding and respecting the complexity of the ecosystem we live in. Isn't it surprising to learn how these tiny creatures are instrumental in maintaining the balance in our ecosystem? So, the next time you swat a mosquito, remember, they're more than just a pest. They're a small but integral part of a much larger puzzle. Now let's take a look at the Islamic perspective on the creation of mosquitoes. In the grand tapestry of life, every thread has a purpose. This belief is deeply ingrained in Islamic teachings, which tell us that every creature, however small, has a role to play in the universe. This includes mosquitoes, which might surprise some of us given their often annoying and seemingly harmful nature. The Quran, the holy book of Islam, states that not a single creature on earth, nor a bird that flies with its wings, but they are communities like us. This verse, found in chapter 6, verse 38, underscores the idea that every creature, including the mosquito, forms a part of a larger community and has a purpose. Perhaps the purpose of mosquitoes isn't immediately clear to us. After all, they are often associated with disease and discomfort, but from an Islamic perspective, our understanding of their purpose is not necessary for them to have one. The wisdom of the Creator surpasses human comprehension, and it is believed that every creature is a part of His divine plan. There's also a hadith or saying of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, that reinforces this view. He is reported to have said that there is reward for serving any animate living being. This serves as a reminder that compassion and care should extend to all of God's creatures, mosquitoes included. Moreover, mosquitoes, like other creatures, contribute to the balance of ecosystems. They play a role in pollination and serve as a food source for various animals and insects. Their larvae also help in breaking down organic matter in water bodies, contributing to nutrient cycles in aquatic ecosystems. In essence, the Islamic perspective encourages us to view mosquitoes not merely as pests, but as creatures that, in their own way, contribute to the balance and functioning of the world. Their existence, like ours, is part of a divine plan, a plan we may not fully understand, but one we respect as part of our faith. So, from the Islamic point of view, mosquitoes, like all other creatures, are part of God's intricate design. Understanding the role of mosquitoes in the ecosystem helps us see the bigger picture. When we look closely, we realize that even the smallest of creatures, like mosquitoes, hold significant roles in the delicate balance of life. It's a fascinating insight into how interconnected all forms of life are on our planet. Mosquitoes, for all their notoriety, play a crucial role in food chains and nutrient cycles. They are a source of food for many species, and their larvae help in the decomposition process by consuming organic materials in water bodies. Now, let's talk about biodiversity. It's the variety of life on Earth, in all its forms and interactions. From the smallest microbes to the largest mammals, each species has its unique role in the ecosystem. Biodiversity is essential because it boosts the productivity of ecosystems where each species, no matter how small, all contribute to the functionality of the ecosystem. It's like a jigsaw puzzle. Remove one piece and the whole picture is incomplete. Disrupting biodiversity can have serious consequences. It's like pulling a thread from a woven fabric. Pulling out one thread can lead to the unraveling of the entire fabric. Similarly, removing a species from an ecosystem can disrupt the balance and lead to unforeseen consequences. For instance, if mosquitoes were to disappear, predators that rely on them for food could suffer, and the decomposition process in water bodies might slow down, affecting water health. It's easy to dismiss mosquitoes as mere irritants, annoying buzzers that disrupt our peace. But when we delve deeper, we realize their significance in the grand design of life. They are a part of the intricate web of life, contributing to the balance and harmony of our ecosystems. So while mosquitoes may be irritating, they are indeed a vital link in the chain of life. We started off with the question, why did God create mosquitoes? And I hope our journey today has shed some light on this. Throughout our discussion, we've seen the vital role mosquitoes play in the ecosystem. They might seem like mere pests to us, but they are a significant food source for a variety of species and even contribute to pollination. In the Islamic perspective, every creature, including mosquitoes, is part of Allah's divine plan. They are a testament to the complexity and beauty of creation, reminding us that everything has a purpose, even if we don't immediately understand it. We've also explored the bigger picture, how mosquitoes can teach us about the delicate balance of nature and the interconnectedness of all life. They are a small but crucial part of the intricate web of life that sustains our planet. Next time a mosquito buzzes around you, remember, it's not just a nuisance, it's a tiny creature playing its part in the grand scheme of life.